Carla's moved back to South Carolina. I don't know if there's any skiing around there. Soon she may live. Oh, we got an accident up here. Well, I've been blabbing. I haven't been paying attention to how well or how good the diamond lane is, but we got an accident. The blabbing took my mind off the bullshit traffic. So, needless to say, we weren't stopped bad. Oh my God, look at that. That was a bad rear end. You know, I have to say something. I've been working for Xerox for 35 years. In the first 3 years, I was in the field, so I drove this whole area, going to customer sites, mostly this freeway. And then when I went into headquarters, just freeway all the way to El Segundo on this ride you're seeing me do right now, I've been rear-ended probably about 7 times. Yeah, overturned car. Computer signals and send things to different things. And, you know, you program in, I'm going to work. So it knows when to start merging you over. It knows where the other cars are in the other lanes, not cameras looking at. Ooh, 2 overturned cars. Holy shit. I feel sorry for him, but my God, folks, learn to drive. Seriously, pay attention to what you are doing. You are in a vehicle that can kill people. Pay attention. Stop playing around while driving. Or that shit happens. Man, that's I haven't seen a crash that bad. 2 overturned cars. I haven't seen a crash that bad in quite a while. Oh God, the diamond lane and the freeway's moving. Unbelievable.